Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw Lynx Max from Fortnite. Let's get started with the top edge of the brow. So when we move over to the left side, we're going to draw a straight angled line coming down and in. Now I'm going to round out the bottom, come down and up towards the right. Now I'm going to draw that same angled line going up towards the right. From the end of the brow, we're going to draw two short angled lines coming down towards the side of the head. Now we're going to move back to the inside and draw the inside of the eye. So on the left side, we're going to draw a short line coming out. Do the same thing on the right. Now I want to connect the outside to the inside with a straight line. Now from the outside, we're going to step in and draw the outside of the eye. Starting from the left, go up with a slight angle towards the top of the brow. We're going to line this up on the right, angle down and out. Now from the bottom corner of the eye, we're going to curve down and then in towards the chin. Starting on the left, we're going to curve down. I want to make sure that I come to a point at the bottom of the chin. Now we're going to work our way back up towards the right. Now we're going to accentuate the jawline. Starting back at the top here, we're going to curve down and in towards the center. We're going to leave a larger gap about halfway along the jaw. Now back to the side, we're going to draw two straight lines coming up towards the ear. So let's start on the left. We go straight up towards the top. Do the same thing on the right side, making sure we come up to the same height. Now from here, we're going to draw two short angle lines coming down and in. Come in towards the top of the head on both sides. Now I want to connect these 2 points with the curve for the top of the head, but we're going to leave a gap in the center. So let's start on the left. We're going to curve up and in, leave a space, curve out, and then down. Now right in the center, we're going to add a circle. So we're going to start on the left side of the line, curve down towards the right, and back over. Let's draw a frame around that circle. From the left side, we'll step out, draw an angled line coming up and in on both sides, and then we'll close off the top with a straight line. Now I'm going to go back to the tip of the ear. I want to draw a curve coming down and in towards the top of the eye. So I'm going to come down and then just curve that in. Now we're going to add that detail on the side of the head. Starting on the top left, draw a straight line coming down. Do the same thing on the right side. Now from the bottom, I'm going to angle up and out. So we're going to taper this line going up towards the top of the head. Alright, so now that we completed the head, let's work our way down the body. We'll start with the sides of the body first. So over on the left side, I'm going to draw a curve going out and then down towards the hip. The same thing on the right side. Now from the hip, I want to curve in and then down. And we'll close off the bottom with a straight line. Now from those bottom corners, I'm going to curve up and out. So we're going to taper this line going out towards the hip. Now let's add some detail to the body. Underneath the chin, we're going to step down. Start with a straight line going across. We're going to go up the sides. Now from either side, I want to curve out and up towards the side of the body. Just follow the same curve of the head. Now we're going to add a little detail on the side. From the side of the body, we're going to step in, draw a short angle line coming down, and then we'll angle up towards the side of the body. Now from that line, we're going to step down, we draw a curve coming in, and then down. And then from here, we're going to curve down and then out towards the side of the body. Now we're going to go back up to this point. We're going to curve down and across towards the top of the chest. And then from the bottom corners, I'm going to draw a straight line going up underneath the chest on both sides. Now we're going to continue working down with the legs. In the center, we're going to come all the way down. We're going to draw a curve from left to right, going up and then down. Now leaving a gap in the center, we're going to go to the left side, curve out and down towards the left heel, then out and down towards the right heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. From the heel, I'm going to curve down and up towards the toe on both sides. Now back on the left side, I'm going to draw on the top of the foot. We're going to draw a curve going up and then down, aiming towards the heel. We're going to stop right about there and draw a short angled line going up and in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting from the toe, we'll curve up and pulling it down, aiming towards the heel. Draw an angled line coming up and then in. Now I'm going to separate out the toe. From the tip, we're going to step in, follow that same curve of the foot going up. Do the same thing on the right side. Now let's move back up to the hip and draw on the side of the leg. Starting from the left hip, I'm going to curve out, down, and then pull that in towards the top curve of the foot. Now we're going to add some detail to the legs. Starting from that left point, curve out and up towards the left hip. And then on the right, we're going to do the same thing. Now I'm going to go back to the left side. I'm going to taper this out so it gets wider as you come up towards the hip on both sides. Now we're going to come down about halfway down the leg. On the outside, we're going to curve down and up towards the inside of the leg. We're going to draw that same curve twice. Leave an even space gap in between. Let's do the same thing on the right. Curve down the first, the second, and then the third. Now going to the outside of that bottom line, we're going to curve down and then in just above the heel. Now I'm going to add a small rectangle above the knees. So starting at the top line, I'm going to step up. I'm just going to follow that curve coming in, and then come straight down. Now I'm going to add another rectangle just underneath the hips. On this left curve, we're going to draw two short lines coming down, and then we'll close off the bottom with a straight line. Let's do the same thing on the right. Two lines, and then close off the bottom. Now we're going to move back up and draw on the arms. We're going to start halfway down the side of the body. So right up here, we're going to curve out and down towards the wrist. And do the same thing on the right side. Now back on the left side, let's start with the thumb. Start with a small half circle. And then at the end of the thumb, we'll draw a bracket. Let's go over to the right and do the same. Curving in, then out with that small half circle. And then we'll draw a bracket. Now we're going to go back to the left side and draw on the fingers. At the bottom curve of the thumb, we're going to curve down and up around that bracket. Step down, curve down and up the second finger. Now we're going to start on the side of the second finger and curve out the third finger coming in behind the head. So we're going to go out and start to curve that in behind the head. Let's do the same thing on the right side. And the third finger, we're going to go all the way around. Pull that in behind the head. Now from the inside of the wrist, we're going to step up and draw a curve, going up and then out. Do the same thing on the right. And now we're going to finish this off with the shoulders. Starting just below the head, we're going to step down, curve out, and then down. Draw an angled line going up and out. Let's line this up on the right side. We're going to curve out and then down. Angle up towards the side of the arm, and that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Lynx Max from Fortnite. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.